Thank you for joining me on this Monday. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. I hope you had a really good weekend. Thank you again for building this weather community all about safety and what's going on. And you can see here across the Caribbean, one tropical wave moved inland, so seeing some heavier rain and storms in spots, thunderstorms, parts of Mexico, El Salvador. We've been watching that. Panama as you swing back through Costa Rica. And then we've got a new tropical wave that just moved into the Eastern Caribbean. I'm going to break that down for you. Not seeing any organization out of these, so that is key. While they could bring isolated pockets of flooding, no kind of tropical organization, even these out here, not seeing anything that may necessarily spin up that would impact us across the Caribbean. With that, one or two of these may kind of develop out here this time of year, so I'll keep an eye on that, but no major threats. But watching these tropical waves sliding by, plus a front in the United States, and as this front moves over toward the south, that'll bring a better chance of rain and storms down the road to parts of the Bahamas, Cuba, Cayman Islands, Jamaica, and then swinging back toward even Mexico and Belize will get a better chance of rain as that front moves by. It's the time of the year we watch that. So here's our future rain and thunderstorms, and this is later today. So you can see Costa Rica, Panama, buildup of rain and storms. And you see across the Eastern Caribbean, a little bit of green popping up every now and then. Scattered showers and storms are isolated. But here comes that front I was talking about. So northern Bahamas first, tomorrow morning, a better chance of some rain and storms. And then as that front sinks through on our Tuesday, that rain chance is going to pick up northern central Bahamas and then eventually swinging back toward Cuba and over toward Belize by the time we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. This is later tomorrow. Elsewhere, scattered showers and storms, but let me stop it here as we get into your Wednesday afternoon. And you see just what I was talking about. Here's the leading edge of that front, and you see some of the extra rain. So even Cayman Islands and Jamaica, as that front kind of dies down, that will bring us a better chance of some rain and storms, and we'll keep an eye on Honduras as well. St. Kitts and Nevis, the next couple days, that weaker tropical wave that's nearby, 29 degrees. It's going to be hot and steamy, of course. Partly cloudy, isolated storms, winds out of the east at about 24 miles per hour. We get over toward Grenada the next couple days, pretty much the same thing. Isolated showers and storms. Not a lot of moisture of that tropical wave. Grenada, though, it'll be a little breezier. We'll have some of the winds out of the east at about 32. So again, some breezier conditions. Now let me flip over. Here's the Gulf of Mexico, the Pacific side. Just keep an eye on this area. Nothing's developed yet, but models are hinting at some development here. And if something develops here, oftentimes this time of year, because of fronts up to the north, it kind of swings back inland. So that's why I wanted to point this out. Just a heads up that if there's any development here, that could kind of curl back toward Mexico. So I'll keep a very close eye on that. Of course, we're past the peak of the hurricane season, which is September 10th. But in October, sometimes there is development. By November, it usually really drops off. Occasionally, there's one or two systems out there, but not a lot. So this time of year, I'm watching those fronts to see if anything wants to spin up along those. So I'll keep you posted on everything. Thank you for the comments. I'll try to get to those. Thank you for building the weather community, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.